If your patio umbrella is always in the wrong spot once the sun moves, you need to see this. We bought this rolling umbrella base for our pool because we wanted some shade next to our lounge chairs, but we also wanted the flexibility to move the umbrella throughout the day as the sun shifted. That's exactly why this one stood out to us. Assembly-wise, this was really easy to put together. You just take the Allen wrench that they gave you and unscrew the screw from the bottom of the pole base. Then you'll put the pole in the umbrella stand and screw it back together. And it's as easy as that. One of my favorite features is definitely the wheels. It has 4 built-in wheels, so even after it's filled, you can still move it without having to lift a super heavy umbrella base. When we want to reposition it, we simply unlock the wheels, roll it to wherever we want it, and then you lock it back into place. It makes following the shade throughout the day so much easier. As far as stability goes, this base can be filled with either water or sand. It holds up to 37 liters of water or 123 pounds of sand. So once it's filled, it provides a really solid foundation for your umbrella. We wanted something that would stay put even if it gets windy, and this definitely gives us peace of mind. Another feature I like is that it has 2 tightening knobs that secure the umbrella pole. So once you tighten everything down, the umbrella feels nice and stable instead of wobbling around. If you're wondering about compatibility, this base fits most market umbrellas that are between 6 and 12 feet, and it works with pole sizes from about 1.5 to 1.9 inches. So it should fit a wide variety of umbrellas. This umbrella that I'm using has a 1.5 inch pole and it's about 9.5 feet wide. I also like that the design is simple. It's just a clean black base that blends in with our patio furniture instead of drawing attention to itself. One thing that people might wonder is whether it's actually easy to move once it's filled. I would say yes, that's really the whole point of this design. Obviously, once it's filled with water or sand, it's heavy, but because it's on wheels, you don't have to lift it. You simply unlock it, roll it to wherever you need it, and then lock it back into place. For us, that's been the biggest benefit, is just being able to move the umbrella around wherever we want it. It's made relaxing by the pool so much more enjoyable. So if you're looking for a sturdy umbrella base that's easy to reposition, works with most standard market umbrellas, and gives you the flexibility to move your shade throughout the day, I definitely think this is worth checking out. We've been really happy with it, and it's been a great addition to our pool setup.